Game. Nakuha ng Sabi. Di na to. Kaso nakuha. Idol umiyak. Basket is 4 points para Idol. Andres, susugod. Umiyak sa Subal. Di na to. Kais. Number 24 umiyak. Basket is 2 points para number 24. Number 30. Binigay kay Andres. Pinalit kay number 30. Papunta kay number 11. 30 ulit. Tumira si Andres. Wala. Rebound. Wala. Ay. Ano? Gabuna pala. My phone.
My pulse ang bobo.
Same ball tayo. Number 30, Gumiro ng press. Wala. Rebound. Sumagay tayo. Number 24, Euro press. Basket 2 points para kay number 24. Kuya, Austin Pondura. Rebound ni Trova. Miraflor.
Tropa.
Pinasa kay 82. 15 seconds to shoot. Sumangay. Long three. No good. Na-rebound ni Tropa pero wala pa rin. Anong hatol?
Miraflor, rebound.
Single. Sumangay. Tumira. No good. Rebound na lang.
Austin, rebound.
Andres. Left-hand layup is good. 2 points by number 24. Kaliwete pa na talaga siya. Tumira, basket. 3 points by Jolo.
Assist Gabrido.
Andres. Sige kay Gabuna. Papunta kay Abadjeta. Tumira na Andres. 3 points by number 11. Medina. Ligay Sumagay. Long three again. Basket is good. 2 points by Jolo. Sumagay. Andres. Tumira. Nasupa di Trova. Grabe yun. Number 24. Open 3. Basket 2 points by number 24. Andres. Binigay. Kaya number 30. Tumira na Andres. So good. Rebound nila. Rebound na. Happy to go. Medina. Break kay number 24. Tumira. No good. Rebound nila. 24 Tumira. Wala pero nakuha ng Charlie. Luke. Binigay kay Andres. Papunta kay Gabuna. Tumira. Wala. Rebound na Kabido. Medina. Itatawin. 15 seconds to shoot. Bola na Charlie. Official score. 5-15. Labak ang may alam. Tumira Andres. Basket 2 points by number 24.
Gabrido.
15 seconds to shoot. Idol Tumira. Wala. Rebound ng Sabi. Andres. Tulungan. Basket 2 points by number 24. Gabrido ang may hawak. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng long 3. Bola lang. Charlie. At everyone, takin tayo ng jersey.
Sige, dead ball, pasok.
Sumagay tayo for 3. No good, rebound, Gabrido. Gabrido, half spin. Pass to Larry. No good, rebound. Apateka. Kandasua, for 3. No good, rebound, Gabuna. Put back. It's good, 2 points by Aaron. Gabuna.
Okay, sabihin mo, pre.
Jolo. Rebound again by Jolo. For 3. Gabrido. 3 points. Andres. Pass to Austin. Mid-range J. It's good. 2 points by Austin. Manuya. Medina for 3. Short. Substitution. Yoji in. Phantom out. Tap.
Pasok na, pasok na.
Tapin. Gabuna for 3. No good. Rebound by Sumagay side. Sumagay side. Next wala. Rebound. Andres. 3 minutes and 27. Andres. Pull up J. No good. Rebound. Medina pass back to Sumagay side. Sumagay side. Step up. 3. Yes sir. Jolo Sumagay side. 3 points. (21-15) in favor of the Beauty Bros. Andres to Kandasua. Kandasua to Luke. Luke for 3. No good. Rebound Andres. Andres pull up J. Not this time. Rebound Sumagay side. Mac for 3. No good. Rebound Andres. Lifting. Tap.
Tuloy mo na.
Steal by Aaron. Na-recover ni Medina. Steal ulit ni Aaron. Double steal, triple steal. Pass to Soriano. Soriano pumeke. Foul and 1. Justin Soriano 2 points. May kasama pang foul. Mac. Gabrido. Soriano misa tira ni Larry. Larry Torramos. Medina, mid-range J is good. 2 points by Medina. Soriano tulog. Umangat. Wala. Rebound by Jolo. Jolo to Larry. Larry to Jolo. Jolo to Mac. 10 to shoot. Mac mid-range J is good. 2 points by Mac Gabrido. Time remaining 1 minute and 15 seconds. Pass break to Luke. Luke layup. No good. Rebound by Aaron. Put back is good. 2 points by Aaron Gabuna. Jolo, pinalusot ni Justin. You make up. Wala. Rebound by Aaron. 2v1 situation. Andres. Pass to Soriano. 2 points by Justin Soriano. 21-25. 15 to shoot, Jolo for 3. 3 points by Jolo, Sumagay side. 26 seconds remaining. Andres. Look for 3. No good rebound by Jolo. 15 seconds remaining. 10 to shoot. Mac. 2 points by Mac Caprido. 5 seconds remaining. 4. Start na ng ating second game, I think in quarter. Ramos binigay kay Gabrielo. Wala, rebound na number 23. Rebound niya pa rin pero nakuha na ni Tropa. Kalin. Si Kalin. Okay. Justin. Bumangga. Basket 2 points by Justin Soriano. Grabe yun. Jolo. Long 3. No good. Bola ng Kapli. Justin ang magtatawid. Binigay kay Idol. Kaso wala. Naribal niya pa rin siya pa rin. 2 points by number. Ano number? Steven. Number 23 Tumira. Easy 2 parang loto. Number 30. Binigay kay number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 30, Tumira na stress. Wala. Rebound ni number 23, binigay kay number 24. Gabrigo, susugod. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni number 7. Number 3, binigay kay Justin. Open 3. Tumira. Basket 3 points by Justin Soriano. Official score 28-32 in favor of Caprido. Number 11, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 11, binigay kay Sumagay side, papunta kay Gabrielo, 10 seconds to shoot. Nastin ni Galil. Open layup, 2 points by Galil. Dalawa na lamang po ang kalamangan ng Caprido. Number 11, binigay kay Ramos. Drop basket ito rin papunta kay number 11. No good. Rebound ng Galil. Number 7. Nag-aarap na papunta. Binigay kay number 30. 32 na dress. No good. Bola ng Caprido. Charot kay Justin Soriano. Jolo, Tumira, no good. Rebound para nila. Number 23, binigay pabalik kay Jolo, Sumagay side. Wala pa rin, pero rebound na Stanley Andres. 2v2. Tumira, basket 2 points by number 24. Gabrielo, behind the back. Iniwan pagkapamilya. Wala. Rebound niya pa rin. Rabo. 10 seconds to shoot. Rabo Tumira. Tapos rebound. Devers. Wala. Rebound ng Stanley. Andres. Anong gagawin? Pull up game. Basket. 2 points by number 24. Lamang na po ang Stanley. Jolo, susugod. Nah, double team. Iniwasan lahat. 10 seconds itu, Tumira. Sa kanya pa rin. Nariwanan ng Sapi. Binato kay Andres. Pulat din na naman. Bakit na yan? 2 points by number 24. Gabriel. Susugod. Nawala ang bola pero nakuha niya pa rin. Sa kanya pa rin. Binigay sumunod sa papunta kay number 11. 10 seconds to. Binigay kay Gabriel pa rin. Pumenge. Binigay off. Second. Final. Nangitlog. Substitution red. Pasok in, labas out. Number 7. Bringing Justin to win the press. No good. Rebound. Sumagisay. Binigay kay Gabriel Tumira. No good. Rebound pa rin nila. Basket yan. 2 points by number 22. Miraflor. Justin. Pull up James. Basket. 2 points by Justin Soriano. Apat na naman po ang kalumangan na Gabriel. Number 11. Susugod. Nakasensal. Sa kanila pa rin. Susisa ni Susug. Gabriel papunta kay Ramos Tumira. No good. Binigay kay Soriano. 1v1. Tumira. Bakit yan? 2 points by Justin Soriano. Sumagisay. Justin ni Soriano pinaglakas kay Luke. Wala. Rebound nila. Rebound pa rin nila. Susugisay ni Susu. Number 7, Tumira. Wala. Rebound na number 23. Kapita kay Gabriel. Binigay Sumagisay. Kapita kay number 11, Tumira. Wala. Rebound na number 7. Kapita kay Soriano. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Gabriel. Susugod. Binigay kay 23. Tumira. Bakit yan? 2 points by number 23. Apat seta. Lay up. No good. Sumagisay. Crossover. Jolo. 15 seconds to shoot. Tumira ng press. No good. Rebound Dino. Anong hatol?
Sub. Time out.
Here we go. Back. Stage ang meron ng mga tropa ko. Tapos. Table na. Happy to move. Ramos, Tumira, no good. Abaceta, layup Tasubal, wala na dumala. Wow, basket ba? Rep. Basket. Bonus shot para kay number 6 Tumira. 1. Number 11. Tumira na press. Basket yan. 2 points by number 11. Tatlo na naman ang kalabangan ng Sabi. Number 7, binigay kay Gabu na papunta kay Abacet. Binigay kay Kanlin. Tumira basket, 2 points by Kanlin. Gabriel, number 3. Wala. Rebound niya. Galil. Soriano binigay kay number 7. Tumira na Dress. 3 point. By number 7. Gabriel. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds. Solo. Pico roll. Wala. Rebound niya. Nakuha pala. Gabriel. Pinasa. Pero nakuha na naman. Nasa blue. Look. Easy to. Basket yan. Number 11 na naman sa press. Wala na. Na-rebound na rin. Look. Basket to board by Luke Apatreka. Jolo. Tusugod. Tumira. Basket to board by Jolo. Tumagay tayo. Justin naman ang sumunod. Binigay. May delay pero sa kanya pa rin. 15 seconds to shoot. Gamura. 2 points by number 6. Number 11. Binigay kay Ramos. Nakuha. Number 7 lumiyap. Wala. Rebound ni Trora. Ramos. Binigay kay Prido. Prido susugod. Pinasakaso na isipin ka rin. Justin. 2 minutes. Kaso sa kanya pa rin. Top. Nangagawan. Nakuha pa rin ng 10 seconds to shoot. Justin tumira. Last 15 seconds. Sumakay sa ilo ang pool. No good. Rebound ni Galil. 10 seconds. Justin. 5 seconds. Reverse is good. 2 seconds. And after second quarter, official score 53-41 in favor of Sharp League.
Soriano for 3, no good, come back by Khalil, it's good. 2 points by Rad, Khalil.
Mabigat din si Khalil.
Medina, no good, 3 points by Calauso. Natapitan ni Medina, nakuha ni Aaron. Andres, penalty, it's good, 2 points by Stephen. 57-41. Favor of Franklin. Matt for 3. No good. 3 points by Aaron. 30. Pass to Andres. Andres pull up J. It's good. 2 points by Pepe Andres. Beberino to Jolo. Jolo long 3. No good. 3 points by Aaron. Aaron to Andres. Andres, the lefty again. Yes, sir. 2 points by Stephen Andres. He scores 61-41 in favor of Franklin. Mac. Nasty Khalil. 1v1. Khalil. Delay. 2 points by Raad Khalil. Gabriel to Sumagaysay. Sumagaysay inside. Falco, number. First personal foul, Aaron Laguna. First team foul. Second shot is good. Andres, Calauso.
Aaron, for the game is good. 2 points by Aaron Gabuna. It's still by Andres. Reverse play, no good, rebound, Subagay side. Subagay side inside, the spin, pull up there. No good, rebound by Aaron.
Soriano, pass to Andres, the J again. Yes sir, 2 points by Stephen Andres, 67-43. Medina for 3. Short, rebound by Fernie, pass to Justin. Justin, pass to Andres, right hand, 2 points by Stephen Andres. Matt. 15. Pull up Jay. Wala, rebound by 30. Pass to Andres. Andres to Gabuna. Gabuna lefty. It's good. 2 points by Aaron Gabuna. Time remaining 7 minutes and 4 seconds. Medina. Short. Rebound by 30. 30 to Andres again. 2v1. Andres. Pull up Jay. Niluwa. Rebound. Medina. 14 to shoot, Subagay side. Nioyo, 2 points by Jojo Subagay side. Still by Beberino, for 3. No good, rebound by Khalil. Andres lefty, no good, rebound by Medina. Medina, still by Gabuna, foul. Substitution. Ramos, first personal foul, first team foul. First shot, in. Second shot, miss. Rebound, line in the floor. W. 18 to shoot. W inside. Drop pass to Larry. Blocked by Ahad. Andres to 30. 30 to Aaron. Tapping board. 2 points by Aaron Gabuna. Beberino. Pass to Jolo.
Sab.
Substitution.
Kuha bola.
30. Pass to Jasper. Someday, no good, rebound Aaron. Put back shot. Aaron Gabuna, 2 points. $76-45. Medina. Pass to Larry. Inside Larry on the floor, 2 points. Kandasua to Andres. 15 to shoot, 30. Mid-range J. No good, dribble by Austin. Put back J. No good, dribble by. Out of bounds. Nabilibang of goal. Beberino, 4-3. No good, dribble by Kandasua. Kandasua to Andres. Andres, put up J. No good, dribble Beberino. Beberino still by Aaron. Andres. Wala. Rebound. Beberino. Pass play to Mac. PD1. 3v2. Mac. 4-3. No good. Rebound by Medina. Medina to Larry. No good. Rebound by Austin. 76-47. Gabuna. 4-3. No good, rebound by Gabuna, the second shot. Pass to Andres, mid-range game. Yes sir, 2 points by Stephen and Andres. Time remaining 3 minutes and 29 seconds. Long range 3 by Jolo. No good, rebound by Carauso. Andres, again, the mid-range. No good, rebound by out of bounds. Sabi Rose ball. Stop. Jolo. 4-3, wala. Rebound Alvin. Alvin tulog. Look for the 3. Yes sir, Luke Apacheta, 3 points. Beberino to Medina. Medina inside pass to Larry. Wala. Rebound by 30 inside pass to Luke. Luke Apacheta, 2 points. Medina, 2 minutes and 13 seconds of the third quarter. 15 to 2 million as a 3. Short. Last 2 minutes. Look. Wala. Rebound by Larry. Pass to Beberino. Middle floor. Pass to Mac. Mac for 3. No good. Rebound by Austin. Austin to Jasper. 1 minute and 33 seconds. Alvin almost missed the ball. Slice to 3. Wala. Rebound by Luke. 10 to shoot. Alvin second try. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Jasper. Jasper umangat sa board, wala, rebound by Larry. Jolo, 1 minute and 5. Jolo tries the 3. No goal, put back, wala pa rin. Rebound 30. Katasua. Wala, rebound by Larry. 48 seconds remaining. 15 to shoot. Beberino for 3. Short. Rebound by Larry. Wala pa rin. Rebound by 30. Pass break to Luke. Luke to Andres. Andres. 2 points by Stephen Andres. 27 remaining seconds. 20 seconds remaining. Mac. Natapitan niya 30. 15 seconds to shoot. Andres. 10 to shoot. 7. 5 seconds remaining. 2. Larry. Foul. 2 shots. First shot, 1 in. 87-48. Second shot is good. He scored 49-87 in favor of Charlotte. Back to the ball game. Last 10 minutes.
Tama, tama.
Punta ka 3 points na ba rin ako na camera? Gabrino. Pass to Medina. Medina to Ramos. Still by 30. Look. Wide open. The lane is good. 2 points by Luke Apachecha. 89-49. Beberino for 3. No goal rebound by Medina. Medina to Beberino, the second try. Wala pa rin ang rebound by. Rebound by Larry. Larry to Mac. Mac for 3. No goal rebound by. Ano ba? Carplane ball. Kasuang Tulog, 1 Yes sir, Luke Apachecha, 3 points. Medina. Mac foul, go, offensive foul. Alvin to Jasper for 2. Yes sir, 7 Jasper, 2 points. 30 points na, Jasper. Medina na sila ng 30. 30 yung mga Jasper, 2 points for 30. Beberino. Tries to 3. No good, rebound by Khalil. Khalil to Jasper. Jasper to Greg J. Wala, rebound pa Ramos. Pass to Mac. Mac for 3. Yes sir, Mac Gabrino, 3 points. Look the lane, delay, rebound still by Jasper. Beberino scored 98-52 in favor of Carplane. Medina, wide open long 3. Short. Timer remaining 6 minutes and 48 seconds. For 3, Freddy Calaustro. $101.52. Still by Luke. Nagmamadali 1v1 Larry versus Andres. Andres, 2 points. Beberino for 3. No goal rebound by Mac. Mac Suranos, natapikan ni Luke. Same ball. Sablay. Ang pasa. 103-52. Alvin for 3. Alvin Candasua, 3 points. to shoot. Miraflor. Mid-range day is good.
Ilan sinigay dyan? 36. Point?
Jasper Logo, 3 points by Jasper. Layup. 2 points by Jasper Andres. 4 minutes and 46. Pass break. Still by Kirby. Ante for 3. Katakuma. 3 points. Time remaining 4 minutes and 32. Gabrito. Step back, Jay. Short, rebound by 30. Brad. Alvin. 13 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Alvin for 3. No goal, rebound by 30. Substitution. Beverino for 3. 3 points by Beverino. Mark. Pass break to Luke. Luke umangat. Wala rebound by Beverino. Tumak Gabrino. Gabrino for 3. No good. Rebound by Gabuna. Gabuna. Tries to 3. No good rebound by Medina. Three minutes and 16. Beverino tries the 3. Mark Beverino, 3 points. 130 to 16 in favor of Starblade. 30 to Aaron. Tries the 3. No good rebound by Luke. Andres, 9 to shoot. To Aaron. To Alvin, 5 to shoot. Alvin Candasua, 3 points. Medina, 2 minutes and 35. Tries the 3. Wala, out of bounds. Aaron for 3. Wala, rebound by Luke to Alvin. Wala, rebound by Aaron. Last 2 minutes. Aaron for 3. Wala. Rebound by Medina. Medina for 3. Wala. Beverino, wala. Rebound by 30. 1 minute and 37. To shoot. Turnover. Ramos.
Yeah.